later, I will be asking you to call again. But in the meantime, back to some great songs that Big Man for you now.
They're on his phone or pissed.
See his number plate? He's going to be in the ICU soon.
Yeah.
What the fuck?
Going to cause a fucking accident.
Oh! Oh! Oh, shit.
What happened, Mr. Drifter? You ran out of talent. What the fuck? Well, no wonder your car's parked. Go on then. Are you gonna go? The junior week. What?
That wasn't even a turning lane.
No, it wasn't.
Do you see that?
Yeah. I think he's just blown something up. What the fuck?
Shit.
That's a good one for you, Scotty.
I can't wait for that to pop up. Damn!
Oh, they give way. Nope. Dash cam, same roundabout. What a fucking dickhead.
Right.
There you go, Scotty, another fuckwit. Yeah, go on, mate. Doing an illegal U-turn. What? That car in front. Right there. Dickhead. Yeah.
Choo-choo, here comes a train. Choo-choo, here comes a train.
It's rolling on the tracks, gonna get there fast, yeah.
Choo-choo, here comes a train.
Idiot.
I'm gonna rip your balls off!
Oh, what are you doing? Fuck! Jesus! What a fucking idiot!
storm, of course, carved a path of destruction on Sunday night, ripping roofs off buildings and destroying entire properties. Kalbarri and Northampton copped the worst hit by the cyclone. WA Emergency Services Minister Reece Whitby says it could be days until residents get their electricity back due to extensive damage to the network. We don't want to be restoring power when lines are still down, he says. Local volunteers have helped clear roads.
We're rolling. That is not possible. That is impossible. That just can't be done. Just lost my lunch. I didn't even have any. This is a geological oddity. This right here is what's crazy. This is crazy. What was I thinking? This is the dumbest thing I've ever done. Oh God, we left the ground again. Oh shit. Oh no. I'll give out. My arms are broken. I'm dying. Oh boy, hang on, Jason. Can't even see where we're going, and he ain't slowing down. Oh my gosh. Oh no, the dipper. The old dipper. Oh, I'm dying. We're gonna die. We're gonna die. Not the corkscrew. Oh, mercy. No, Jason, no, easy, Jason. Undamn believable. Down in the dip, up to him. This is gonna hurt. 200 miles a damn hour. Oh crap. Oh my gosh. I have never been on a ride like this in my life. It's good, buddy. Back her down. Quit playing around. I don't know how much grip they got, but it'll break your neck. I know that.
Watch where you're going, you fucking moron. It's the notorious intersection with a stop sign. Will he stop? Will he stop? Will he? No, of course he won't.
Smell something funny. Oh my God, it's the shitbag titty fuck of the week.
Meth, not even once.
And Jesus, and across on the other side too.
Bad bag.
Oh. Funny. That guy doesn't really look like a bus, does he?
Yeah.
No entry. Bus is accepted. Moron. Technically another one. And another one. Yeesh. And another one next to me. Yep. You fucking moron!
There'll be a red light. For fuck's sake. Fucking red light again.
When I'm riding at night, I piss everybody off and ignore the red lights. My life, my rights, don't you know who we are? Cable ties on my helmet and I pretend I'm a car.
Really? Fucking hell. Jesus Christ! You fucking moron!
Oh yeah, it's precious.
Dude, that's not a thing.
From pulling names out of the air one night.
I've had a couple messages lately asking me. Definitely send it to a Gmail.
Whoa!
Show
Jesus.
You, title it listeners.
Sorry.
It's the best way that we'll be able to see it. And guys.
It's a smoker.
Jesus Christ.
And then we pull the tissue off the top of the bag, and out comes what looks kind of like a bowling trophy, but that's been very, very adjusted. Clearly, this is smart and crafty. No, use it for good. I love him. Okay, babies. All right, so Valium. This photo in the middle of the fucking room. There's a 5-gallon gas can in the middle of her bedroom. Here it is. Take a look at this fucking shit.
Oh, you noise. No red light here. Is there? Oh! Fudge.
Run the light, bro. Run the light. Do it. Oh my god.
Wait,
he ran the light.
What the fuck?
He ran the light.
I know.
These fucking idiots. Definitely.
That's hilarious.
What's this guy doing? Why's he crossing?
In 600
fuck,
meters,
man?
turn right onto Edgware Road.
People are wild today.
I know.
You're a yob or you're a wanker. Take your fucking choice. So who is your favorite genius? James Hurd or James Joyce? You ever seen a live performance?
Wasn't enough to be honest. Should have been dust in my pocket. I had enough, but I lost it all.
He went on the wrong lane. Because I think he was on the lane that doesn't allow you to turn here, but the other light turned on where the cars go there. See, Mini Cooper.
That's so weird. And then the next time we see Matt, I can be like, hey, we're gonna come over.
Oh shit! What happened here? Oh, whoa, whoa, oh! This guy just turned on a fucking red.
Oh shit. Yeah. The police, hello?
What the fuck?
Bitch, hello. Do something.
Recording started.
No, well, he, my father and his father were still now, and yes.
What the fuck? Recording started.
Fucking throwing cans! What the fuck are we doing here?
Shouldn't litter. It's ecologically unsound.
Recording started.
Oh dear, I wonder if this is old mate on the motorbike that was just flying through that's fucking Kamagutsa. No.
Recording start.
Oh, bitch. Get in it, motherfucker.
Recording.